Hello, class, and welcome to week 14 of ACLT 053 Online. This is the final week of the semester, so congratulate yourselves for making it this far, and you just have to get through this week and a little bit of next week before we're completely done with the semester. For this week in ACLT 053, there's a lot going on, and I'm just hoping that I can um, clearly state what they are to help you. So in English 101, you are working on your grades essay, and in ACLT 053, the only two things I'd like you to work on for this week would be to begin your final portfolio, which is part of the final portfolio module, and also to post on the discussion board your introduction for your grade essay. The blog, I'm going to make that not required for this week because of all that you're working on. So you will note that the blog for grade week 3 is locked, and that is intentional so that you can concentrate on the portfolio and also the discussion of your great essay, the posting your introductory paragraph, your introduction. So let's talk a little bit about the final portfolio assessment. The final draft of it will be due next Monday, the 13th of May, during final exam period uh, in Blackboard assignments. So let's take a look at it. If you go to the module, and it'll say Final Portfolio Assessment, and for short, it's the FPAM module. You will see that there's some module objectives, and there is a video as well that might help you to navigate through what's required for this module. Now, for this final portfolio assessment module, what you will be doing is you will be submitting 3 of the essays that you've worked on for the first 3 modules. The first learning module essay, the second learning module essay, and the third learning module essay. They have to be significantly revised per my feedback. So you want to look at my feedback for all of the essays to make sure that you've revised them according to my feedback. After each revision, you will be writing a 2 to 3 paragraph revision reflection, answering a couple of the questions below on the final portfolio module. What are the strengths of the essay as related to the course objectives? What are the weaknesses of the essay as related to the course objectives? And what changes did you make to the essay to address the weaknesses and feedback from your instructor? So each of these questions should be about a paragraph, and you're going to be answering these questions in paragraph format for each of the 3 essays that you actually work on. Finally, you'll be composing a semester reflection, which will be in the form of a letter that you will either write your next English professor or your next college professor. So some of the questions you will address in your letter is, how have you been prepared for the academic rigor and expectations, or how are you prepared for the academic rigor and expectations of future courses? What have you learned about reading, writing, and critical thinking from the course? And provide specific examples from your essay to assess yourself, and discuss the writing process as you know it, and include the steps that you took for pre-writing, the reading and writing skills you need or you will need to be successful, and how the skills learned will help you to be useful in the other classes. For more information, I really strongly urge you to really look at the final portfolio assessment module, which will give you a nice overview of what is expected. I hope this information was helpful, and good luck.